Welcome to the channel Cephas Center for Learning. In the previous sections we discussed about Indian society a bit, Indian history a little bit, and today I'm going to start up the Indian geography, basically physical geography, which is there for the Appsc Group 2. In that chapter, the first and foremost topic is the Earth in the solar system. Let us discuss this topic. Before that, I want to tell you that for every competitive exam which is happening in India, the NCERT plays a very vital role. Whatever the syllabus there in the Appsc Group 2, it exactly match with the NCERT syllabus. So I took this NCERT for the reference, and I'll tell you the what exactly important for the exam point of view. Please note it down those points only so that it will be over within 10 minutes. Thank you. Let's move on to this. The Earth in the solar system. The Earth in the solar system. So what is there in the Earth? What is there in the solar system? So before discussing that, we will discuss about what are the things which are we can see it in the solar system: the sun, the earth, other planets, and the meteoroids and meteoroids also. Yes, Pluto is considered as a dwarf planet. So let's discuss about all the planets in the solar system. Now you are seeing the image of all the planets one by one. I'll tell you about that. Sun in the center, Mercury, that is the first planet from the Sun. After that, Venus, Earth, third planet, Mars. These all planets are called rocky planets. What are called? These all planets are called rocky planets because they are very close to the Sun. They are made up of rocks. And after that, you are seeing the asteroid belt. Asteroids are the rock. It is a composition of all the rocks of the planets. Asteroid belt is a composition of rocks of all the planets. After the asteroid belt, if you see this, there is a gaseous planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Neptune is the icy planet. Okay, Neptune is what? Icy planet. So there is a acronym to remember all of these planets. Let's see this. That's one also in the coming slides. The sun is, we know that sun is a very huge body of extremely hot gases. Okay, in sun you can see that there is a process of nuclear fusion. What is a process? Nuclear fusion. So now I'm discussing about the sun, so that I want to tell you about the small current affair also. There is a lot of experiments going in the world with respect to the nuclear fusion, because in the sun there is lot of energy is releasing while happening of this nuclear fusion. So scientists are very wondered that whether they're gonna do this on the earth or not, because in the sun there is a lot of energy and lot of heat is there, lot of pressure is there, but it is a doubt that came into the scientist's mind that they can produce the same amount of energy, same amount of pressure in the earth's surface. But recently scientists from the Livermore National Laboratory on December 13, they announced that they can produce the nuclear fusion energy on the earth itself. Okay, so this is the little bit small introduction about the current affairs which are linked to the static part basically. Next, what is the sun distance from the earth itself? So the sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. How many kilometers? 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Remember, planets. So this is the acronym for remember the planets. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for E for Earth and M for Mars, J for Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, that is what it refers to. So next one, what is orbit? Orbit is a path. Okay, it's a fixed path where the other planets will revolve around the sun. So all 8 planets of the Earth solar system move around the sun in fixed paths. These paths are called orbits, and Mercury is the nearest one, which will take say about only 88 days to complete the one round along its orbit. But when it comes to the Earth, it will take almost 365 days, okay, to complete one around along its orbit. So Venus is considered Earth twin because, remember, this is very important. Venus is considered, note it down, Venus is considered as Earth's twin. Which planet is considered Earth's twin? There might be a question in the exam. So Venus, because of its size and shape, very much similar to the Earth. As I said it earlier, till 2006, Pluto was considered as a planet. But recently, with the International Astronomical Union decision, it was considered as a dwarf planet. Okay, it was considered as a dwarf planet. Let's talk about the Earth. So Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. Okay, as we see it in the picture, it is the third largest nearest planet to the sun, and it is the fifth largest planet. Okay, when you compare all the planets. And the shape of the Earth is referred as a geoid shape. What is geoid shape? It looks like bulging at centers like this, like a orange, like this, bulging at the center of the North Pole and South Pole. It's like a geoid shape. Okay, they refer it as a geoid shape, just like orange. Okay, that is the Earth. So Earth is also called the blue planet because of its 1/3 of water appearance. Okay, and this is the very important concept here, the light, speed of the light. You have to remember the speed of the light also. Speed of the light is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay, next, the moon. Okay, the moon is a natural satellite for the Earth itself, and its diameter is how much? Its diameter is only 1/4 of that the Earth. 1/4 means what? 1/4 of Earth. Okay, and it is nearer to our planet other than systems. And the distance between the moon to Earth is 3,84,400 kilometers. 3,84,400 kilometers away from the Earth. Okay, and one more important thing that I want to tell you is, so how much time that will take sun's light to reach the Earth? It is exactly 8 minutes. It is written over there. It is very important. Okay, sun takes about 8 minutes to reach the Earth itself. Next, how much time the moon will take to around the Earth? In 27 days. Okay, I told you the satellite is a celestial body that moves around an object or the planet. But human-made satellites also an artificial body that you see that, like many satellites are nowadays, they are moving to the Earth, on the Earth low orbital model, low Earth orbits, LEO. Okay, so this is what the like education sat, INSAT, IRS, these are all called. Okay, these are all human-made satellites. Next, asteroids. So as I said it, in the between the rocky planets and the gaseous planets, there is a one belt of rocks are there. That is called asteroid belt. So it is like a rocks. So these bodies moves around the planet just like other planets and satellites. Suppose there is a planet of Mars. There you can see around its orbit, you can see lot of rocky objects are there, like this. So these rocky parts also moves around this planet. Okay, they are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. These are like a remnants of the other planets when they're blasted. So meteoroids are the small piece of rocks which move around the sun. Remember, this is very 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 important. Meteoroids are the small pieces of the rocks which move around the sun are called meteoroids. So during the process of friction, the air get heated and up and burn. We know that now. So when the star is falling from the sky, it may looks like a what we call a raging fireball coming from the earth like sky. So it's like a fire. Okay, so it's like that meteoroid. Because of it's because of the atmosphere, the meteoroid will burn itself in the mesosphere. Okay, we'll discuss about all the atmospheric conditions in the climate chapter in the coming classes. So there is a formation of a Milky Way also. Milky Way means it's a galaxy. The name of the galaxy is a Milky Way because it looks like a light, like a flow of light. That's why they named it as Akasha Ganga. Milky Way is also called as Akasha Ganga. Okay, so there are a lot of Milky Ways, or a lot of galaxies you can see in the universe. Universe is very big. We don't know like how big it is. So that's it. That's about the chapters. Thanks for watching this. Stay tuned to this channel. We'll meet again in the next chapter, the interior of the Earth itself. Thank you very much. Thank you.